Caracaras are considered the world's most social and most intelligent raptors. A winning combination that means they can tackle prey even a harpy wouldn't touch. Wasps. The caracaras figure out a plan. First, the direct approach. But once the nest is stirred, those little stingers get everywhere. Next, a smash and grab. Eventually, the wasps abandon the nest. These paper-like constructions are as nutritious as cardboard. But hidden away in the combs are plump, juicy grubs. One caracara's bravery benefits the whole team. Life in the rainforest is tough, but caracaras keep ahead of the game thanks to tenacity and teamwork.